You can use the word because to form an adverb clause that explains why something happens.
Good girl. Good girl.
Martha got another job because she needs the money. Right here is the adverb clause. This explains why she did this here, why she got another job. Or you can start with because and say, because she needs the money, and there's a comma here. Martha got another job. So here's the dependent clause starting the sentence. At the end of the dependent clause, there's a comma followed by the independent clause. In this kind of arrangement, you have what's called a complex sentence, where there's an independent clause and a dependent clause. The word because is also referred to as a subordinating conjunction. The subordinating conjunction begins a dependent clause. There's a difference between coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join together two independent clauses. So words like and, but, or, nor, for, yet, and so are coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions go at the beginning of a dependent clause in a complex sentence. So words like because, if, when, while, after, before. These are all examples of a subordinating conjunction. These words are used in adverb clauses. Because I was hungry, comma, I ordered a pizza. This is the dependent clause. It ends with a comma. You can also call this the adverb clause, or if you want to call it a subordinating clause, that's okay. This is the independent clause. It forms what could be a whole sentence by itself. Notice that there's a subject here and a verb here, and also in the dependent clause, there's a subject and a verb.